Welcome children after winter vacation, and I hope that you all are now ready to get back to your studies. And today we will proceed with a new chapter in grammar, that is conjunction. Now let us first read the following paragraph. Mowgli steals a lit torch at the village to use as a weapon and heads back to the jungle, accidentally starting a wildfire in the process. He confronts Sher Khan, who argues that Mowgli has made himself the enemy of the jungle by causing the wildfire. Mowgli throws the torch into the water, giving Sher Khan the advantage. Baloo, Bagheera and the wolf pack intervene and hold Sher Khan off, giving Mowgli enough time to set a trap. He lures Sher Khan up a dead tree and onto a branch which breaks by the tiger's weight, and Sher Khan falls into the fire to his death. Mowgli then directs the elephants to divert the river and put out the fire. In the aftermath, Raksha becomes the new leader of the wolf pack. Mowgli decides to utilize his equipments and tricks for his own use, having found his true home and calling with his wolf family, Baloo and Bagheera. So, children, you can see here it's a small story from the Jungle Book where the story has been written, and you will find there are few underlined words highlighted with red color also, like and, that, which. Okay, so the highlighted words in the paragraphs are conjunctions. Why they are conjunctions? Because they are helping in joining the two parts of the sentence. Okay, a word that connects two or more words or sentence is called a conjunction. Now, conjunctions are like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so help to join the word. So, we use for, nor, and all these words to join the words. Like, for example, we have many dogs and cats. Now, we are joining the two words dogs and cats with the use of word and. Okay. Second one, you can either go to the mountains or to the seaside. So, again, it is connecting the two phrases. How? Like, we can either go to the mountains. So, either go to the mountains or to the sea. So, both types of phrases are being joined by using or. So, when we are having the option, when we write the options, we use or. We went home because it had started raining. Now, we are giving the reason. So, we have used because. Now, the usage of conjunctions. Now, and is used to show additions of two things. Like, for example, Maya bought oranges and mangoes. Now, but it shows a contrast or the opposite idea, like Ruhi is intelligent but she is not hardworking. So, we can find the two parts of the sentences are entirely different. One, we are saying positive thing, Ruhi is intelligent, she is not hardworking is a negative one. So, when we are joining the two opposite ideas, we use but. Now, because used to give a reason, the performance of the kids are tremendous because they are very hardworking. Okay, so performance are was very good. Why? Because they were hardworking. Now, when we use since is also used to give the reasons. Since his house is far away from his office, he has shifted into a PG room. It may also be used to show the time, like I haven't spoken to him since he had left for Mumbai. So, here since is used for to give the reason. So, since he is far away from his office, he has shifted into a PG here. So, it also used for showing the time, like I haven't spoken to him since he left for Mumbai. So, it is showing the time that since he has left Mumbai, I have not spoken to him. Now, until or when. Now, until and when, it again shows the time, like the baby wakes up when the dog barks. Okay. So when we have used, when the baby wakes up, when the dog barks. So it is showing the time. We waited to cross the road until the signal was green. So until, again it's showing the time that we waited to cross the road until the signal was green. Now though and although, when we use though and although means in spite of, means they show a fact that makes another fact look surprising or unusual. Although he tried many times, he could not win the game. So although we are trying to say that in spite of many tries, means although he worked very hard, he could not win the game. Though mummy was sleepy, she sat in the chair waiting for papa. So though mummy means as mummy was feeling sleepy, she sat in the chair waiting for papa. So it is means in spite of. Now next is that which denotes the purpose and is used to introduce a new part of the sentence. I think that she knows my name. Now that is showing the purpose and is used to introduce a new part of the sentence, that is she knows my name. So when I say I think, what I think, that she knows my name. Okay. Now while, it is used for a period of time. For example, the boys were playing while the teacher was teaching in class. So we are showing the period of time, that what was happening when something was happening. So the boys were playing, while means what the boys were doing and what the boys were doing when the teacher was doing something. So we have used while. So the boys were playing while the teacher was teaching in the class. Now word pairs used as conjunctions. Now some conjunctions are used in pairs, like we can use together, not only but also. So he drank all the milk, he ate all the sandwiches. Okay. Not only did he drink all the milk, but he ate all the sandwiches also. He not only drank all the milk but also all the sandwiches. So not only, see how we have used, he not only drank the milk but also. So when we are saying something more than that, we use not only, and not only he drank all the milk but he ate. So this way we are using the conjunction. So children, you came to learn that conjunction is a word which is used to join the words, phrases or two parts of a sentences, and the general uses we have come across like and, but, because, since, until, though, that, while and all that. So you are supposed to thoroughly revise this chapter, go through the examples and try to do the given exercises in the book itself. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.